Who allowed you to learn?
Ay, sisi.
Hello mga pukis. I am the diva.
Hoy, ano ba? Natutulog na rin ang
Hey baby, wake up. What are you doing?
Bacon or titim na I think all pa.
Uy, grabe, lilitin mo.
Let's go play, shall we? Okay, let's go play. My phone is loading. I don't know who is that, but I know. Hello, it's time to play my bookies. It's time to roast it at a pick-me. Let's go roast it at pick-me. I know. This is my avatar, but my mom made my server. Etayana. I don't know what's that name. I think I pass now. Come on, let's play. Let's play. Let's play fairy. I think it will be soft. Now let's play. I don't know if I will play like this, but if I will play it and try. Only Diva can play, not the boys. Not pick-me. Where is that pick-me? Oh no, there's a pick-me falling behind about her. Oh no. Oh no, my phone is lagging. Where is that pick-me? I'm about to fall, but I made it actually. Oh no! Not the lead. The mom and dad make her daughter Natalie. I did made of French. Oh no, I jumped it behind the ball. Okay, where is that Natalie? Disgusting, ridiculous. Come on, Dex Blast. Where is that pick-me? Where is that? I don't see it. There you are. I'm not lagging anymore. Did someone just knock on the phone? Where is that Natalia? I think that Natalita means grossly, ridiculous, and glowy, like miraculous ladybug. Let's play my pokies. I think this is ridiculous though. I don't like it. Let's play another game. It's actually raining. Cause I don't like rainy. I like diva. Lagging again. Always lagging. I think I should play wall hop. I didn't play that wall hop. Wait a minute. I'ma try. Prayer tower. Wall hop. Climb. What is this game? I don't like climb. What is that? What is that? Okay, let's play my cookies. I don't know what is. I think you're lagging, girlies. I think you're pass. Shortcut. Oh no, I didn't know that she want to follow. Okay, let's try this. Gary, Gary, let me carry you. You're like Diva like me, but you're not Diva. But you will also be on my team. Oh no. Gary, target. Let me carry you, girlie. What is that? There you are. Lagging and lagging again. I think I don't know this game because it really oh no, my lower voice is on. I don't know. I think I'll pass this because I don't know earlier. I think I'll pass mga cookies. Let's play another game. So my mom was Filipino, me and Filipino. I'm the Filipino now. Because Diva is the English. So Diva is the Filipino now. Let me try Filipino. Ito na mga cookies. And now let's play. Pick a food. No, I think I'll pass. More than more. Where is that? I need some Diva space. I need some Diva piece. I think this is a new game now. What is this? Who the creator make this? Creator. And what is this? I need to buy something. What is this? I need a whip. Okay, let's see. Let's play Troll Case. Oh no, 35 now. Okay, let me spin the wheel. Spin one. What is that? I don't. Oh, thank you very much. I don't know it. Opening box. Come on. Just pick already. Nah, Diva don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna try this outfits. It's very loud. Hello mga kitties. Hello mga kitties. Oh wow, meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Hi mga meow meow. Meow. Meow meow. You heard that meowing. It's not like a baby. It is a baby. Well, I think I was no. How about a box? Um, oh, no, 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 no. Bye bye. It's time to go.